Welcome guys, today we have our latest bike in for dismantle. It is a 2013 Hyosung GV250. This one was in pretty good condition before it was laid down on its side. Unfortunately, we've got a little bit of damage on the sides, broken lever, mark on the guard obviously as well. You can see this one was very well looked after. All the chrome is nice, tank's nice, a little bit of damage on the front there. This one to start as well. This one was not too bad on the Ks. So kilometers. Starts and runs nicely. No leaks or anything like that. Everything is pretty good condition on this one. We're going to give it a test ride. Everything drives and rides smoothly. All the wheels track true. Forks are all straight. Engine sounds nice and healthy. Goes through all the gears nicely as well. This one will be up on our website, bikesparesaustralia.com, in the next week. Thanks.